Alright guys, Sam, I'm back with another video. I have a unboxing or unbagging for you. It's going to be a short video, so let's just get with it. It's going to be for my rig I'm working on. Let's see what we got. Got some black rivets for the case. So I have it all same color, black. Awesome. Got 100 of these. Oh no, 250. Oh, he gave me 250. Thought I just purchased 100. Wow, that's a lot of rivets. Well, anyway. Oh, yep, this short video. And you guys, I enter a contest to win a A70 from Linus Tech Tips. He gave it away. I didn't win it, but I'm gonna put his link down. You guys check it out. You know, it's